Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I am going to talk about the CADPower licensing procedure. So when you install CADPower, you can see that there is a CADPower menu attached to the end of your regular CAD menus. So in that, if you go to the last item, there is something called as the display application key. Now this will generate the app key for your computer, which is essential for creating your license. The app key is nothing but a series of numbers which is generated from your serial number of the hard disk or from the MAC ID of your network card. Once you generate the app key, you can see that there is a dialog box which looks like this, and then from this dialog box you will get the MAC ID and the serial number. Now at this point the information is already copied to the clipboard, so you will have to send this information to us, and it's quite easy. Just open your email software, go to the body of your email and do a Control V and paste the MAC ID and the serial number app key over there. Then you can send it to me on email. We will generate the license file and send it back to you by email. License file that we generate will have an RGS extension, and it will have a format which looks something like this: CADPower 24_en_bc.rgs. What it means is, CADPower is the name of the product, 24 is the version number, en means this is for the English language version, and BC means it's the platform, which is BricsCAD. So if you're using AutoCAD, you will have an AC, or if you're having ZWCAD, you will have a ZC. And if you're having German version, you will have DE instead of EN, or ES for Spanish, and so on. The 24 will be replaced by 22, 23 or 25 depending on the version number that you're working with. Now there's one small thing that you have to also remember, that the license file for BricsCAD Lite and the license file for BricsCAD Pro and above are different. And in the case of BricsCAD Lite, the license file will have a CLM extension at the end. Other than that, the rest of the license file looks exactly similar. So once we get your app key and you get your RGS back by email, you will have to again go back to the CADPower menu, and under that come to more options, and if you open the sub menu there, you will find an option called Activate CADPower. So you can click on that, or you can even type cp_activate license on the command line. Select the RGS file that we just sent you, and then you will see a message like this. So this says that the license file has been copied to the following folder. Now where is the license file stored in your computer? It is not very important for you to know it, but it is good to know, because in case anything goes wrong, you can always go and check there. It is stored in the C users folder. Under that, Windows login name, app data, CADPower, BricsCAD 24. Over there you will find the license file. So that is exactly where your license file is stored. Now as you may have guessed, in case of AutoCAD, in the same path, instead of BricsCAD, there will be a folder called AutoCAD. So on the same computer, it is possible sometimes that you may have a license both for BricsCAD and AutoCAD if we have given you such a facility. So it is possible that you will see something like that also. So that explains how the licensing procedure works. So once it is done, you restart your BricsCAD or AutoCAD and your software is activated. If you have any problems or if you have any questions regarding this procedure, please do let me know. I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you.